In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the settings on Gumroad to update your payment methods. Whether you're a creator or a seller on Gumroad, it's essential to manage your payment information properly to ensure smooth transactions. Let's dive into the straightforward steps to edit your payment settings. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Gumroad's website. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not logged in, simply click the Login button on the top right corner of the page and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, the navigation should look a little familiar if you've been here before. Next, direct your attention to the top menu bar on the Gumroad site. Look for the Profile section, typically located towards the upper right of your screen. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This is your go-to area for adjusting various aspects of your account on Gumroad, including notifications and payment options. Once you've clicked Settings, you'll be presented with a multitude of options. For our purpose today, we'll focus on the Payments section. So go ahead and select Payments from the list of available settings. This will take you to the page where you can view and alter your payment methods. Now you should see the Payment Methods section. Here, it's crucial to ensure all your details are accurate to avoid any holdups in receiving your funds. Scroll down on this page to find the section specifically dedicated to payment methods. It's also a good chance to double-check that your existing details, if any, are correct. If you need to update or add a new payment method, there will be a clearly marked input area for you to do just that. Simply input your new payment details, making sure to follow any on-screen prompts that appear to verify your information. Once you've entered the required information, just review everything to ensure accuracy. You definitely don't want to overlook any details here, as it could delay your payments. Once you're sure everything is in order, make sure to save your changes. This is usually done by clicking a Save button at the bottom of the page. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your payment settings on Gumroad. Remember, keeping your payment information up to date is not just about efficient business management. It's also vital to maintaining your revenue flow without interruptions. It's always a good idea to routinely check your settings to ensure everything remains accurate. With those few simple steps, you're all set. It's as easy as that. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you efficiently manage your payment settings on Gumroad.